As you guys know, we're back in PA, and PD just got a guitar, an electric guitar.
Yeah.
So
shred season.
it is a Stratocaster. Let's see this thing. Squire by Fender.
Here it is.
Be careful with that, bro.
Now I got it.
They package it pretty well. Wow. That is dope.
It's pretty clean.
It's filling up our waters. Water is important on a long trip like this.
What do you want to say to your viewers?
Don't fear the Reaper.
Maybe you'd want to...
Don't fear the Reaper. That's all I gotta say. And we need some more power. Alright guys, we're at Sandbridge Beach, a vacation spot my family has been coming to for years. And we're catching some waves.
How old are you, Ella? 13. What is your favorite animal?
A goat.
A goat?
Let's see. I'm 19. And
You got payback finally! Favorite?
Favorite boyfriend.
Yeah, favorite boyfriend.
That's the large Brian, 20. My favorite boyfriend is Petey.
State your name and age.
Everyone knows my name, and everyone. I'm only 14 actually.
Lifeguard off duty this week.
I'm 17. What's my question?
What is your favorite
Day.
Day of the week.
Thursday.
What the?
I think I'm Ethan, 13. My name is Bradley. I'm 9.
favorite color?
Every type of play. I'm George, and I'm 10, soon turning 11.
What is your favorite place?
Dog. Play? Favorite type
Dog place.
of dog. No, just favorite play. Dog. Favorite dog. Type of dog. Probably a corgi.
Oh, they're pretty cute. Well, thanks
And
for the
then
idea.
my favorite
And your favorite place?
is my house.
Carter. Age 16.
And your favorite?
Ice cream. Chocolate chip cookie.
Perfect. No, I already read my mind. Good job.
And Thomas Gabriel Cook.
Age?
11.
And what is your favorite song?
I don't know. But my favorite band is the Chili Peppers.
Oh,
Nolan Schmeckenbecker. 12.
22.
12.
Squirrely.
And what is your favorite sport?
Probably football.
Oh, interesting.
We're in Canada, and we're at a skate park called Shell Park. Alright, I'm gonna go and skate around this park. So let's do this.
Uncle Jay.
So where are we?
Lake Huron? Did I say that right? Huron? Huron.
So. Lake Huron in Sarnia. Oh man.
We're at Mark's mansion and I'm with Towns.
Towns, where's Petey? Hi.
Good vibes.
All day. Aww.
Where's Petey?
There you go. Yep, climb aboard. So Jay, when you are letting us go, make sure that our nose come around it and then grab, like, do you want me to come around now? Yeah, sure.
What do I buckle to?
You'll see those handles.
Oh.
Yeah, we're good. Sheet in.
Woo! We're flying already.
Will. Ready for instruction?
Yes, I am ready.
Oh, this is your rope.
Okay.
Your sheet. Grab
Yep.
it.
Yeah.
All right. And sheet in all the way. Shackle to
Okay.
shackle. Pull that thing hard. There you go. That's good. That's
All
perfect right there. Now, you're gonna find yourself one of these.
These things.
Take that thing.
Okay.
You're gonna pull it down. Let go. Pull it down. Buckle it onto your clip. This
All
is
right.
yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go.
I'm on it.
There you're on it.
Yep.
Now we're gonna start catching more and more wind.
Oh my god.
And then, Will,
This is awesome.
you're gonna hang onto this.
Yep.
You're gonna be, you're clipped in.
Yep.
Hang onto that. Get your feet on the edge.
All
and
right.
you're gonna let your butt fall down, and then you're gonna stand out. You're not. You're
Okay.
standing up, but you're going outwards.
Out. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So I'm gonna start bringing in some more wind, and I need more weight out. So that's
Okay.
when your body weight gets out there.
All right.
So go ahead. Now.
Oh,
make-
shoot.
Nope, nope. Yeah. Down. Straight on this way.
Yep.
There you go. Now step all the way out. Get comfy. Get comfy.
Like this.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh
Now
my.
spread your legs a little bit.
Okay.
Just so you got a little bit better balance. I don't need to lose you. It doesn't matter what kind of weight these are.
Oh yeah.
You can climb them. There you go. There you go. Now remember, sit back.
Yo, I'm just got the strap.
Yep, that's okay.
All right.
All right, let's get the wind. Woo! Shall we intentionally try tacking?
We can try it, I guess. Why not?
Might as well. It'd be nice. We'll go upwind and then we'll try ride into waves.
Yeah.
So, in 3, 2, 1, come on in.
Okay. Come
Unclip, unclip.
slide in. All right, I'm unclip. Switching over here. Uncleating.
That's a wave.
Wow.
Yeah, you're good there?
All right.
Now get yourself ready to go out.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, you got some wind.
Yep.
All right. I'll give you some wind. Now give you some counterweight. There we go. Now stay balanced.
Yep.
Keeps on going.
Yeah. Hey guys, what's going on? We're in Sarnia right now. US is just right over there. And we're gonna go jumping in some river. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna jump this and float all the way down that.
to the U.S. side? Was it pulling you back to your
Nah,
roots?
not really. Wasn't too bad. Highly recommended if you visit Canada, guys.
Yeah.
Sarnia River Run.